One day I came on my piano roll and I didn't see these controls at this downside of the piano roll in FL Studio. This FL Studio 25, whatever version of FL Studio you use. Like, you just come up and there's some controls here, volume and other stuff, and I could not find them. So this will just show you how to do it quickly. I'm in Pro Tools, this one Pro Studio. Let's see what we do. Then I came here to move. Yet I did not see anything. I was like, what is going on here? So I later found out what to do, and I want to show you so that you can get your controls back. So what I did, I come down. You come down till you see this thing that looks like cross. Yeah, just come down till you see it. You come down again, you see to control the size. This one that looks like an arrow up and down. But you come to see something like cross, then you left click, hold, and you drag up. That's it. It's that simple. Now you have your controls back. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. There are lots of great videos on this channel to help you. I'm at Pro Tools or Pro Studio. That's it.